Okay, there we have in record level, sorry, in object level, we have create, read, edit, and delete, right? So
Right.
someone, if he wants to have access on any object, then he should have at least read access on the object. Then only he can read any record in Salesforce. Okay. Now, second is create, whether he can create the record on Salesforce or not, that is the another thing. And next is edit. So whether he can edit or not, that is next level. And the delete is whether he can delete or not. Now, this is on object. Okay. But
Right.
whether he can see others' record. Currently, you are having access on that object, position object. Okay. And suppose you are having create, read, edit, and delete option on there. But whether you can see others' record or not, that is something which comes under record level security. Okay.
Right.
Now, the combination of both will give you the access. Now, suppose if you don't have read access on any object, whether that record was shared or not, that doesn't matter. Ultimately, you are not able to see it because you don't even have read access on it, right?
Right.
Right or not? So the access is given with the combination of all these three. Okay. If someone is giving you, if you are having read action on any object, create access on any object, then only you can see first level is your record. And if others' records are shared with you, or if there are some way, like there are organization wide default, or if there are other ways, by other ways, if there is a provision that everyone who is having access to this object can see each other's data, each other's record, there comes the record level security. And there is also one provision like, okay, so you can see others' record, but you can only edit your records. You cannot edit others' records. That provision can also be given. That comes under record level security. For that, you must have create, read, edit option on that object first, so that you can edit your own records. For editing your own record, you must have edit option. Okay, edit access on your object. The first thing is, and when you are having edit option enabled for you, when you can edit your own record, then whether you can edit others' record or not, for that you need to have record level access. So you got my point. First thing is whether you can edit or not your record. For that you have object level access, right? Then we
Right.
see whether you can edit others' record or not. That comes under record level. So now, who is going to share the screen? Let's go and see how to enable the object level security, and or you can say field level access. Okay. So who is going to share the screen? Jerry, would you like to share the screen?
Okay.
Sure. Let me make you the host. Yeah, please share your screen and log into your org. And now we will see how someone can get access. What are the thing needs to be done to give object level access or record level, or field level access. Firstly, we are going to see object and field level access. Then we will see record level access. Yeah, please share your screen.
Can you see my screen? Can you see it now?
Yes, now I can see.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now, to give access on object level, okay, we have something called as profile. So in quick find box, yeah, write profile. And here you need to search two profiles. One is standard, search standard user, it will come from S. Standard user, not platform, standard user, yeah. Second last, yeah. This is one, standard user, and another one is system administrator below that, the last one. Now, you need to see what all the access it has. So what all the thing it has, first of all. So the name of the standard, the profile is standard user, right? You can see page layouts. Scroll down. You can see page layout. So we did use page layout when we were creating sections, right? Different sections. We were putting the fields on some sections. These all things we performed, right? And these are
Right.
things we did in layout, page layout. So that is called page layout. And who all are going to have which page layout access, that all things are being determined here or given access over here. Okay, scroll down a little. Let's see next section. Yeah, custom object layer. So there are two kinds of objects. One is standard object, other one is custom object. Standard objects are the objects which are given by the Salesforce. Okay, and custom objects are the objects which we have created. Like we have created our candidate object, position object, right? Employment website object. So these all are having underscore C as a suffix. So these are called custom objects, and the objects which are given by the Salesforce as a SaaS offering, like account, contact, opportunities, leads, campaign, and other things. These all are called standard objects. Okay. Now scroll down a little. You can see field level security. So from here, you give access of any field. Now, as we were discussing, that the hiring manager cannot see SSN number of the candidate, right? Right or not?
Right.
We were discussing it. So when we talk about field, he is having access to candidate object, but he cannot see the SSN number field. then that comes under field level security, and that we will give here. We will see how we give. Okay. So whether someone can see any field or edit any field, that access is being given here. Okay.
Okay.
Now scroll down a little. So custom field, that means whichever object we have created. Okay. Now custom app settings. So we have created our own app, recruitment app. So all the apps which you create, that comes under this section. Can you see our recruitment app over there? Yeah. So currently that this standard user profile does not have access to our recruitment app, right? That we will give in later sections, later classes. But as of now, you can see what are the things a profile contains. Okay. Yeah, scroll down a little more. So yeah, tabs, whether someone can see any tab. Tab is nothing but you are seeing that positions tab, and then you click on it and then you can see all the records, right? Whether that tab is available to him or not. Okay. So that all things access are being given over here. We will make these all changes over there in the profile when it comes to profile. Yeah, scroll down. Here, custom tab settings, the tabs which you have created for your objects, record type settings. So record type is something where one object behaves in different ways, even though it is the same object. But in certain cases, it will behave in some different ways, and we assign different layout to a record type. Like, suppose if I'm talking about any loan application, so someone can apply for a personal loan, someone can apply for home loan, someone can apply for two-wheeler loan, someone can apply for car loan or four-wheeler loan. These all things can be done. So, and there is, suppose we are using one object like loan application. Okay. So the fields which are being shown will change based on the loan type, because in some places you require vehicle details, whether it's two-wheeler or four-wheeler. When you are talking about home loan, you need the details of the house, right? When you talk about personal loan, you don't require those stuffs, but you need details of most of the things are common, like the person's information who is applying for the loan is common. His employment history will be common. His identification details will be common. But there are few things which will differ. So in that case, we don't create separate objects. In same object only, we can give different kind of field access to different kind of record types with the help of page layouts. And they behave totally differently in based on the record type. So that all things are being done through record types. Okay. So it's nothing but you can say one pick list value, and that is, and page layouts are also associated with each and every pick list values. And this is the advanced form of pick list value which we use in our applications. So as of now, we are not going to use it in our applications because we don't have that kind of scenario as of now. But yes, in later sections, whenever we go for the project and everything, we might have to use this as well. Yeah, please go down. Yeah, you will always see that standard and custom thing. So this is the administrative permissions. So what are the other permissions someone can have? Whether someone can have a setup access or not. Okay, whether someone can edit the code or not. These all things are being given here. Whether someone can have, you can say mobile, or you can say integration access or anything. So these all things will be given over there. You can see access to certain things. You see API enabled, integration can be done or not. So these all accesses are being there. Yeah, please scroll down. So this is also general user permissions, same like permission sessions. What are the things someone can do? What are the things someone can access in the system? Scroll down. Yeah. So here, standard object permission. So you can see read, create, edit, delete, view all, modify all. Let's scroll down to see our position object. Yeah. So here you can see candidate, employment websites, job applications, job posting, positions, reviews, and everything. So here you need to give whatever discussion we were doing, right? Create, read, edit, delete. So that permission is given here. So in profile, we give permissions on object, whether someone can read, edit, create, or delete, as well as on fields, whether someone can see some field or not. Okay. And other things are also there. Session settings, that in how much second or how much minute or how many hours session will expire, or if it will never expire or something. Password policies, when someone should change. Many other things are there. And there are login IP ranges are there, login hours are there. Many other things are there which you can go through and see what are the options they have. Okay. Now, what you need to do, you need to create a new profile for recruiter. But before that, you need to do a comparison. You have opened standard user profile. In new tab, please open system administrator profile. Because currently you are a system administrator. You are system admin and you have all the accesses in the system. So now please open system admin profile and compare both of them. What are the differences you find? And one more important thing, we cannot create a profile directly. We clone a profile and create our custom profiles. So these all are the profile which you are saying currently. These are standard profiles. But when you clone it and create your own, that will be your custom profile. And we will create custom profiles for our hiring manager, recruiter, and other users.
So this is not registration profile.
Yeah, compare both of these profiles. Okay, and note down the differences, and this will be your assignment. Okay, everyone has to perform this. Everyone has to compare system administrator and standard user profile, and they need to list down all the differences. Okay, now let's go back to your standard user profile and let's clone it. Go to standard user profile and clone it. Clone it. Yeah, give it a name recruiter. We have recruiter, so let's give it a name recruiter.
Save it.
Yeah, save it. Now, this is your recruiter profile. Now, what you need to do, you have to create one user whom you will assign this profile. So in quick find box, type users. Now create a new user. So this will be your recruiter. So you can give it a name recruiter. You can give it a name like any name which you like, but you should know that he is going to play the role of a recruiter. In email, provide your own email ID. In username, you can put recruiter before your username. Yeah, so that you know that he is a recruiter. Yeah, you can put recruiter dot, or anything, REC or anything, so that you can know that this is a recruiter profile you're talking about. Yeah. And in right side, you can see profile. And above that, system Salesforce platform is written. Change it to system. To Salesforce user license. Change user license. You don't see Salesforce.
Yeah.
Did you create any new user on this? Yeah, please cancel it. Please cancel it. Because in your developer org, you can create two users. One is your own and other one you can create. So just check if you have any other user with, yeah, you have two system administrator.
Okay, two.
So which
So
one?
can I edit one?
So the one in which you have not logged in, you should deactivate it. Click on that. And there is one active checkbox. Right side, you can see active checkbox. Uncheck that. Save it. Now please create new user. Okay. And now here, recruiter. Yeah, save it. Now you will receive the email for the activation in your email ID. Please go and activate the user and set its password. Guys, are you able to perform these steps in your org? Or is there anyone who is facing any difficulty while performing these steps?
Yeah, on my profile, you see after you user alliances, Salesforce, when I go to my profile, I don't see recruiter.
Okay. So let me make you the host and so that you can share your screen and we can see. I can't make you. Jerry, could you please make him host so that he can share the screen? Meanwhile, you can activate your user and set the password. Yeah, in dropdown, you are not able to see your recruiter. That means that profile is not created yet. Please go to your profile. In quick find box, search profile. See if there is recruiter profile. Click on R. This is read only. So your profile is not created. So click on S, go to standard user. S, click on S and go to standard user. Clone it. And give it a name, recruiter. Clone. There is a clone button on top.
You said that's a what?
You can click on clone button. Clone. You can see 3 buttons, right? Edit, clone, view users.
Oh, clone.
Yeah, clone. Clone it, please. Yeah, give it a name, recruiter. Just save it, please. Yeah, please go to your users and create a new user. And now you will see recruiter.
And save.
Yeah, please save it. But you have written, yeah, so that email ID which you have provided. So there you had to append it, right? Either prefix it with the yeah, and prior just before that have recruiter. Wait. Recruiter, so that you come to know that it is a recruiter profile. So before
Okay.
your yes, before you can just recruiter dot. Yeah, that will be your username and you need to use it for the login. Great. Just go to your email. You will receive a mail for the activation. And there you can activate and set your password for this user. So did you receive the email from Salesforce for the activation?
Yeah, I'm activating.
Yeah, please activate it. What about the others? Tanu, Sonakshi, did you receive email from Salesforce? Were you able
Yes,
to
yes, sure.
activate the user?
Yes, I created.
Yeah, please log in with that user.
Sure.
And Rudolph, could you make who is so Sonakshi, would you like to share the screen?
Yeah, sure. I don't mind.
Yeah. So Rudolph, could you please make her the host so that she can share the screen?
Yeah, she can go ahead.
Yeah, please share. Please make her host. Make Sonakshi host
Yeah,
so
sure.
that
So, So I logged in with the recruiter
Great.
test. And
But you
so
will,
there,
you might not have access to recruitment.
yes.
So that's what I wanted you to see. That currently you will not have access to your app itself. So please log in with your system admin in different tab or different incognito window or different browser and log in with your system admin and save it. Yeah. Now, what you need to do, you need to go to setup and your recruiter profile. You don't have to go to recruitment. You need to go to
Oh.
setup and profile. And recruiter profile. Now here, click on edit and go to apps. Apps, custom apps. Yeah, go up. First one only.
Oh.
Yeah, there is recruitment app is unchecked. Check it. First of all, uncheck all other apps. Uncheck all other apps. We want him to access only recruitment app, nothing else. Yeah, make it by default one. Yeah, the uncheck other one as well. Save it. Now go to your recruitment one where you logged in with recruiter and refresh that page. So open login with the recruiter in different window or incognito window so that the session will not override other session. And you can see, so what we are going to do, we are going to perform the changes using system admin profile and we'll see how it gets reflected in recruiter's profile. Okay.
Okay. So let me do it in
Now you can see default app is recruitment whenever you log in. And you can only see recruitment app. You can't see other apps.
right.
Because you have unchecked all other apps. But now
Right.
here, you are only able to see home tab. You are not able to see other tabs. Right?
Right.
Why? Because you have not given even a read access on position object. Right? So let's go to the profile, edit it. Edit it and give create, read, edit access on position object.
On
Yes, here. Go down.
Here.
Go down and go to position object, custom objects. Yeah. Give on position object only.
Oh.
Yeah, save it. Now go to your incognito window and refresh it. Whatever, so you're not able to see it. Right?
Yeah.
So yeah, there type position. There you can type position in app launcher, app launcher. But you cannot see. Now what you need to do, why this was not coming as a default when you were there in recruitment app, because you had not given access on tab, right?
Okay.
Go to tab setting, see position object. Where is position? No, up. Yeah, here only you will see position object. Yeah, where is position object? Yeah, make it default on.
But it was default on.
Okay, that might be the cache issue, due to which it was not visible. Save it. Yeah, go and refresh that page. Incognito window. Yeah. Huh? Why it is not coming? Recruitment app is not having position tab. No. That should not come in that way. See, it is not getting reflected, right? Because
Yeah.
when someone is opening recruitment app, he should be able to see position.
Yeah, with the default on property, right?
Yeah. So refresh it. Okay.
Mm.
Now it is coming, right?
Right.
Okay. So now you can see position object, but as of now you are not able to see candidate and other object.
Right.
And when you click on position, you are able to see certain fields, certain records.
Right.
So try to edit them.
No, I cannot.
So as we have only given read access, can you create a new record?
No,
think
I was checking if there was nothing coming. Oh. This is
Okay.
list, right? It should be here, right? The record if I create.
Yeah. So as you have not given create access, right? So now go and give create option. Yeah, save it and now go and refresh that page there. You can see new button.
Yeah, but it said oops. Oh,
Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now create new record.
but I cannot edit it.
Yeah, because you have not given edit access. Now give edit access there in your profile. Come back here and then try to edit it.
It is not having that the pencil, the edit pencil thing, right?
Refresh it, you might get, or you can, now you can edit at least, right? You can see.
Yeah.
So now you have got edit access over here, right? So now what you need to do, as per our discussion yesterday, right? We decided someone can edit or someone can create any record on any object, right? Whether it's candidate, job application, position, or any other object. So same access which we discussed for recruiter, you need to give on each and every object. Create, read, edit. In some of the objects we have given delete. So yeah. So as of now on position we have given create, read, and edit, right?
Right.
So we need to give on candidate, create, read, edit, and try to work on these things and see the difference. What are the differences you see?
Sure.
Right? Now you found that, right? Like how it behaves when you give only read access, when you only give edit access, or when you only give create access, right? Create, read, edit, all these three behaves differently, right?
Right.
Yeah, so you can just check and let me know. You can, so assignment is you need to put all these checks on your all the objects which we have created: job posting, job application, website, employment website, review, everywhere, whatever we have decided so far, all these things should be put over there. And second thing is list down all the difference between your standard user profile and system administrator profile. Okay.
Okay.
So these all will be the assignments, and see you tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Sure, Shan. Thank you so much.
If anyone has any doubt, any query, we can have a discussion on that. So anyone has any doubt, any query? Jerry, Rudolph, Tanu?
No.
No.
Great.
No, sir.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
You too. Thank you so much. Take care.
Bye.